Waiting for 26th now. Bye, ma'am.
Big wedding buzz in the South film industry. Actor couple Vijay Deverakonda and Rashmika Mandanna are reportedly all set to tie the knot later this month in Udaipur. The couple has stayed tight-lipped ever since reports of their engagement leaked in October 2025. While neither Vijay nor Rashmika has made any official announcement, a recent airport moment has sparked fresh excitement among fans.
Waiting for 26th now. Bye, ma'am.
According to reports, the couple will get married on 26th February at a heritage palace in Udaipur. After the wedding, they are also expected to host a reception for their industry friends in Hyderabad. Despite all the buzz, the actors have remained silent on the details. Recently, Rashmika was spotted at the airport, where a paparazzo shared a video of their interaction. In the clip, Rashmika waves at fans who are calling out her name. She then removes her mask at the paparazzo's request and poses for photos. When the paparazzo congratulates her, Rashmika smiles and asks, "For what?" He responds, "Wedding, waiting for 26th, ma'am." Rashmika doesn't deny it. Instead, she simply nods her head and blushes, leaving fans convinced that the wedding date might indeed be confirmed.
Waiting for 26th now. Bye, ma'am.
Vijay Deverakonda and Rashmika Mandanna first worked together in Geetha Govindam and Dear Comrade. After 2020, fans began spotting similarities in their vacation photos, further fueling dating rumors. On the work front, Vijay was last seen in Kingdom, which collected 82 crore rupees worldwide. He now has Ranbali and Rodi Janardana lined up. Rashmika had a strong 2025 with films like Chhaava, Kubera, Thama, and The Girlfriend, while Sikandar received a lukewarm response. She will next be seen in Ranbali, Cocktail 2, and Maisa. With 26th February just around the corner, all eyes are now on Udaipur. Will the couple finally make it official? Fans are eagerly waiting. Bollywood filmmaker Anurag Kashyap has once again found himself in the spotlight, but this time for a connection many would call unexpected. His name appeared in the recently released Epstein Files, a massive collection of documents linked to the late convicted offender Jeffrey Epstein, sparking discussions across social media. On 30th January, the US Department of Justice released over 3 million documents revealing emails and correspondences involving prominent figures worldwide. In the files, Anurag Kashyap is mentioned simply as the Bollywood guy in exchanges between Epstein and individuals such as Giuseppe Barsani, Gino Vayu, and Ornella Corazza. The emails discuss Epstein's planned trips to Cuba and other locations, listing Anurag as one of the expected attendees at workshops on Buddhism, technology, and medicine. However, it is important to note that appearing in these emails does not confirm that Anurag Kashyap attended any events or participated in Epstein's activities. In the correspondence, he is listed alongside other notable personalities, including Ben Goedsel, Bruce Damer, and DJ Spooky, often described as cool people invited to events in places like Shanghai. There is no evidence suggesting that Anurag and Epstein were ever in the same place at the same time. As the news spread online, reactions were mixed. One social media user wrote, "Is this Epstein's Files or Chitragupta's accounting book? Everyone's in there. Afraid someday my name may show up somehow." Another commented, "So many wealthy or influential people participated in Epstein's criminal activities itself, that list is huge, let us go after them. Let us not go for those who were merely invited to these events." A third user joked, "ये एप्स्टीन फाइल्स नहीं, गूगल सर्च हो गया है, ऐसा लगता है, सर्च करूंगा तो मेरे स्त्री वाले का नाम भी निकलेगा. This is not the Epstein files, it has become Google search." If I search, I might find my laundromat's name. Anurag Kashyap is not the only Indian film personality named. Actress Nandita Das also appears, listed as a speaker at the 2015 Lake District Festival in the UK, organised by James Bendel. The festival reportedly included music, kayaking, nature walks, yoga, tai chi, dance lessons, and storytelling workshops at Brathe Hall. Behind the camera, Anurag has been busy. His two-part film Nishanchi released last year, with the second part hitting streaming platforms. Meanwhile, his long-awaited project Kennedy, starring Rahul Bhatt and Sunny Leone, is set to premiere on ZEE5, though the exact release date is still unannounced. While the Epstein files mention sparks debate online, there is no evidence of wrongdoing by Anurag Kashyap. Fans are now waiting to see his upcoming work Kennedy and follow his journey in Indian cinema. A rumor is doing rounds online claiming that Salman Khan is part of Aditya Dhar's upcoming film Dhurandhar 2. But is it true? Let's find out. Recently, pictures of Salman Khan in a sharp suit, talking to two individuals, went viral. An Instagram account shared the post and wrote, "Salman Khan confirmed as Bade Sahab in Dhurandhar 2." Viral leaked images from the Mumbai shooting schedule have sent social media into a frenzy, revealing Salman Khan in a commanding new avatar as Bade Sahab. At first, many fans believed the superstar had joined the Ranveer Singh stara. However, a closer look reveals that the images were likely created using artificial intelligence. The Instagram account that posted them belongs to Dev Pal, an AI artist whose feed is full of AI-generated photos. There is no official confirmation from the makers of Dhurandhar 2 or Salman Khan about his involvement. Social media reactions have been mixed. Some fans were excited at the thought of Salman appearing in the film, while others were skeptical or didn't want it to happen. One thing is clear, these images alone are not proof of Salman Khan being part of the project. For context, Dhurandhar 2 is directed by Aditya Dhar and stars Ranveer Singh in the lead role. Other cast members include Sanjay Dutt, Arjun Rampal, R. Madhavan, Rakesh Bedi, Sara Arjun, and Akshay Khanna. While Khanna's character died in the first film, he is returning in flashback sequences. The movie also features Gaurav Gera and Danish Pandor in pivotal roles. The story will show how Ranveer Singh's character, Hamza Ali Mazar, rises to take over Lyari town after the death of Rahman Dakat and explores his journey before becoming the Indian spy fans loved in the first film. The viral Salman Khan images are AI-generated and not confirmed by the filmmakers. So, while the rumor is exciting, it's just speculation and creative AI work. Salman Khan is not officially part of Dhurandhar 2. Big news for fans of Priyanka Chopra. After nearly 7 years away from Indian cinema, the global star is finally making her return, and it's with a massive S.S. Rajamouli film titled Varanasi. Priyanka Chopra is set to return to Indian cinema with Varanasi, directed by S.S. Rajamouli. Before officially signing the film, the actress had one special request for the director: she wanted to dance. In a recent interview, Priyanka spoke about how excited she was to reconnect with Indian audiences through a dance performance. Recalling her conversation with Rajamouli, she said, "So, I haven't done an Indian film in like 6 years. When he called me, and he was like, oh, this female character's really cool, and you have to do it and whatever. I was like, I have one request, will you make me dance, please, because I haven't danced for so long." However, that one request quickly turned into something much bigger than she expected. Priyanka laughed as she shared, "Whoa, I should not have asked, because we be dancing. Oh my gosh, there's a lot." And poor Mahesh was like, "It's because of you. Because of you, I have to do it too." Her request also brought co-star Mahesh Babu into the mix, and he had his own take on the experience. Mahesh Babu said, "It's sensational, and I think one song we've already shot for, and it just keeps playing in our minds. And Priyanka keeps singing it all the time. And that song was because she wanted to dance. And he made her dance." Varanasi reunites Priyanka Chopra with director S.S. Rajamouli, who previously delivered blockbusters like RRR and Bahubali. The film also stars Prithviraj Sukumaran as the antagonist and features Priyanka in an action-packed role as Mandakini. A teaser has already revealed time travel as a key theme, setting up the film as a large-scale action-adventure. While story details remain under wraps, speculation among fans is already running high. Rajamouli has also confirmed that Mahesh Babu, who plays Rudra, will portray Lord Rama in one of the film's sequences. Varanasi is scheduled for a theatrical release on 7th April 2027. With dance, action, and time travel, Priyanka Chopra's Bollywood comeback promises to be nothing short of spectacular.